Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at some awesome MagSafe accessories from Pitaka. I've worked with this company in the past, and the stuff that they make is very high quality, and a lot of their stuff comes in a carbon fiber finish, which I absolutely love carbon fiber. So we're going to be looking at 4 products today, and the first one is going to be the MagEZ Case 3, then we're going to take a look at the MagEZ Case Pro 3, then we're going to be looking at their MagSafe car mount, and then the last product that we're going to look at is their Pitaka AirTag case. So we've got some pretty cool stuff to look at, so let's go ahead and start off with the first case, which is the MagEZ Case Pro 3. Okay guys, so here's the packaging. So we've got the Pitaka logo on the top. You can see that beautiful carbon fiber, which I think is going to look amazing on the silver iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is the one that we're taking a look at, the MagEZ Case Pro 3. The packaging itself is very lightweight. Then I'll just flip it around here. It says prototype. This one is sent out for reviewers, of course. Then this is actually really cool here. All of the packaging is 100% biodegradable, so very earth-friendly packaging, which is always a plus. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. So we've just got a pull tab right here, so I'll open this. Alright, now let's open it up and see what the case is looking like. Okay, that looks really nice. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I am a huge fan of carbon fiber, and this looks fantastic. I'm really liking the lip around the camera too, how it's kind of like a matte black, but then everything else is carbon fiber. So let's go ahead and take this out of the packaging here. So inside of the case itself, there was this little paper here that tells you how to remove it off of the phone. So it says remove from the left side of the phone, so I will be doing that, of course, when we switch over to the other case. But there's the inside, so of course it is going to be MagSafe compatible. On the inside, I kind of like the material that's on here. It's a very soft, almost like microfiber kind of material. The case itself is very lightweight. It's super slim too. Let's go ahead and put this onto the 14 Pro Max. So I'll just slide the left side on first, push in, then the right side, and that's it. Super easy. One thing that I want to point out is the feel in your hand. This is probably one of the best feeling cases in my opinion. It's made out of renewable aramid fiber and flexible TPU. It looks great. It feels amazing in the hands. It's not slippery or anything. It's actually quite grippy. And look at that. That looks so nice with the silver 14 Pro Max. You've got minimal branding on the back with the Pitaka logo. On the sides here, we've got the power button, which is actually quite clicky. Some cases when you click the buttons it's a little bit harder, and this one's pretty easy. You can click it very easily. Same thing with the power button, super easy to click. You've got the little cutout here for your volume rocker, and it's very easy to switch. You've got a pretty good amount of bumper protection on the phone too. Like it's decently thick but still very slim, and you can see the carbon fiber design comes about halfway through the sides here, and then it switches over to just a basic black, which I actually kind of like that stripe design. Overall, I really like this thing. It's super lightweight, it's very slim, it looks great too. It's a very minimal kind of aesthetic, and it has very good drop protection as well. To be MIL certified, basically what they have to do is drop the device 26 times from a height of 48 inches or more on each face, corner, and back of the phone with the case on it, and it passed, so it does have that certification. So if you guys do drop your phones quite often, you shouldn't be worried with this thing. It looks like it's going to have some pretty good protection. And the last thing that I want to mention with the case here is the lip protection here around the cameras. You can see it does go past the actual camera itself, which is a must. The cameras on the 14 Pros specifically this year are huge, so you definitely want to protect them. And something else that I just noticed here is that the cutouts for the power and volume buttons, you can actually see the stainless steel sides of the phone, which I think gives it a pretty unique look. So you can see mine has the stainless steel silver there, and then you can also see it on the other side with the volume up and down. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the case. Now let's check out the MagEZ Case 3. So pretty similar cases. The one in my right hand is the MagEZ Case 3, and the one on my left hand is the MagEZ Pro. You can see the carbon fiber looks pretty much identical. I think it's slightly bigger on the right though, and you can see the camera lip is slightly different too. This one is more of like a standard kind of camera lip that you'll see on the majority of cases, and a major major difference between the two is the actual cutout of the case. So this one you can see is pretty open along the bottom, and same thing with the top here. You'll be able to actually see the stainless steel of the phone, versus on the Pro one, it's going to cover pretty much everything, which I think I like that a little bit more, to be honest. It just gives a bit more protection to the stainless steel because I don't want it to scratch up or anything. I'm sure it'll be fine with this one, but I just prefer the Pro. So let's slap this one onto my phone right now. So like the instructions said, take it off of the left side. So there we go, just pop it off the left side, and then you should be able to just push it and grab the phone. And that's it. Okay, so another difference on this case is that the inside does not have the soft cloth. This is just going to be carbon fiber right up against the phone, which is totally fine, but I think I prefer the soft cloth on this one. But anyways, let's go ahead and put this phone onto the case. So we'll just push it into place. Nice and easy, just like that. This one is definitely a bit more lightweight. You can see that the bumpers aren't as big compared to the Pro model. You can see that is quite the difference. This one is definitely going to be for people that just really like to rock the phone almost naked. It honestly doesn't even feel like I have a case on it. That's how light it is. But you can see what I was talking about. You do have that stainless steel finish exposed on the bottom and on the top, which some people are going to be fine with, some people might not. You can see the power button is exposed along with the volume up and down and volume rocker. The back though, I gotta say, Pitaka absolutely nails the carbon fiber. It looks so good, and like I said, this thing is super lightweight. Like, it literally does not feel like I have a case on. Another thing about this case is you do get camera protection with the raised lip again. So the camera lip itself, I would say, is pretty much the same width compared to the Pro version of the case. You can see it does go past the camera just slightly, but anyways, there is the back, there is the right side, there is the left side, there's the bottom, and there is the top. I would say I like the MagEZ Case 3, but to be honest, I think I'm leaning towards the Pro version. This is more of a traditional case that I personally like a little bit more. But for people that really want that thin and lightweight feel, I would definitely go with the MagEZ Case 3. Especially for people that love the feeling of a phone with no case. I think this is going to give you protection, but it's also going to give you that feel of pretty much not having a case on at all, which is definitely a good thing for a lot of people. So these are the Pitaka phone cases for the 14 Pro Max, guys. I really like both. Like I said, I'm leaning more towards the Pro version, but both are great in their own way. Both cases, of course, are going to be MagSafe compatible, which is going to go great with the next accessory that we're going to look at, which is the MagEZ car mount. So here it is right here. I gotta say, I am a huge fan of car mounts, especially with the MagSafe enabled iPhones. It is just so convenient. Just hop in the car, toss your phone on the car mount, and you're ready to go. This one looks like it's going to be super high quality, so let's go ahead and take this out of the box. Okay, so a little bit of Pitaka branding on there, Alternative Tech Life. Let's go ahead and give this a little shake. Alright, so a quick little thank you note, and inside of that mini envelope you get the instructions on how to get this car mount all set up. Then we get the car mount itself, which I think looks really cool. It's carbon fiber, of course, because Pitaka loves carbon fiber, and so do I. I think this thing looks pretty cool. The back side has a glossy metallic finish, and the front side has the Pitaka logo, and then it's also got this softer material to rest on the back of your phone. It's actually pretty slim too, which is nice. It's not going to be like a super bulky car accessory for your phone. And quickly, let's test out the MagSafe capabilities with the MagEZ Case 3 on my phone. So just clicks on. It's actually on there pretty good. You can hear it's got a nice satisfying snap. And I do like the MagSafe strength on this thing, because I've bought some car mounts in the past where, like, yes, it does connect, but it's not that strong. So sometimes if you hit like a bump on the road or something, your phone can slide right off, and it is just a horrible situation to be in. I've had my phone go flying across over the passenger seat onto the floor, hit the door. It sucks. And this one, I gotta say with confidence, it is more powerful than the ones that I've had before, which is definitely a good thing. Plus it looks really cool. Like, you've got a carbon fiber fiber case and then a carbon fiber car mount. It's a nice combo. And there's something else in the box too. It looks like Pitaka is giving you a charging cable, and this is actually for the car mount itself, so that means you can charge your phone while it's connected to the car mount. It is a USB-A to USB-C cable, so the USB-C end just goes right into the bottom of the car mount, so just like this, and then the other end is going to go into the USB slot in your car, and that's going to allow you to charge your phone. So this is going to be great for people who maybe go on like a road trip or something. You know, you can just have your phone charging right off of the mount. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with the MagEZ Car Mount Pro. The magnet strength is great, the design is great, and you can charge your phone directly from the car mount, or if you don't even want to do that, you just unplug it and you can just have your phone onto the mount and it'll look very, very clean without the cables or anything. But like I said, if you do need to charge it, just USB-C right into the bottom and you're good to go. Now the last product that we're going to be looking at is the Pitaka AirTags case, and something that's unique about this one is that it is the world's first AirTag case with a charging cable. So I'm pretty interested to see what that's going to look like, so let's go ahead and open this up. So the packaging is very similar to the car mount. Let's go ahead and take the cover off. So we've just got this thin kind of like tissue paper on the top. We'll take that off, and there is the AirTag case. I gotta say, it looks pretty cool. It's also got carbon fiber on it, just like all the other stuff we've taken a look at today, and then the rest of it feels like leather. You've got the Pitaka logo on the back, which is actually a magnetic clip, so you can hear the magnet is pretty strong there. Then inside we get our charging cable, so you get lightning on one end and USB-C on the other. And something that's really cool about this cable is, one, the durability on the actual cable itself. It is braided, but then what you can also do is put them together, the magnets close up, and then what you can do is just put it on top of the AirTags case. So you just screw it into place like that, and there you go. So now you can put your AirTag inside and be able to locate and track it. But then let's say you have your MacBook with you and you need to charge your phone or something, then you just take this out, take this out, USB-C into the MacBook, lightning into the phone, and there you go. Now you're charging your phone. And then when you're done, boom, magnet closes, then you just screw it back into the case, and there you go. I really, really like the functionality of this. To be honest, I'm someone that kind of likes to see the Apple logo on the AirTag. I know I'm one of those people. I always have to see the logos. But at the same time, I appreciate the minimalistic design for the AirTags case here. Pretty much all black, just with the carbon fiber too, and this little orange ring. It's a really, really cool design though, being able to just toss an AirTag in there and track it. But then it also acts as a charger because you have the charging cable inside, and I really like the engineering that went into having this magnetic charging cable. Really, really cool dual functionality, and I love it. So guys, some really cool stuff from Pitaka. I am just a sucker for anything carbon fiber, so I'm loving the look of my phone right now with the case. It's really high quality stuff too, guys, and the customer service from Pitaka is great too. If you guys do want to pick up any of the products you saw in the video, I will leave some links down below. Also, let me know what your favorite thing was that we checked out in today's video. I think mine was probably the MagEZ Pro case. I think it just looks really cool, and the best part about it is that it's very thin and lightweight, but still gives you very good protection, and it just looks really nice and minimalistic. So that is it for the video today. Thank you for watching. I've got a ton of videos that are planned to be released this week, so stay tuned for those, and Wednesday is going to be a really special video. It is going to be my first ever day in the life video with the new iPhone. I'm really excited to make that video, so stay tuned for that one. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe, but other than that, I hope you guys just all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.